Hello there. I am Dr. MD Ahmed, and welcome to this mindful travel meditation designed specifically to transform your long journeys into moments of peace, relaxation, and mental clarity. Whether you are traveling in a car, on a flight, or being driven home after a long day at work, this meditation is the perfect way to recharge, release stress, and gain mental focus. Before we begin, it's important to note that this session is designed for individuals who can fully relax without needing to engage in any physical activity. So, if you are driving, please pause this and listen later. This meditation is based on self hypnosis and neuro linguistic programming (NLP), which are proven techniques that allow your mind and body to release tension, access deeper states of relaxation, and reprogram yourself for a more stress free, focused, and fulfilling life. The benefits of this meditation are immense. Regular practice will help you reduce stress, calm your mind, improve focus, and even boost your overall well being. Think of this as your mental reset button during long commutes or flights. Every time you listen, you are training your mind to relax and open up to new possibilities. Let's begin by getting comfortable. Whether you are in the back seat of a car, a flight seat, or anywhere you can relax, just let yourself sink into your seat. Feel the support beneath you. Close your eyes if you can, or simply soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale. As you exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worries. With each breath in, imagine you are breathing in calmness, peace, and clarity. And with each exhale, let go of any mental clutter or physical tension. This is your time to unwind, to feel grounded and at ease as you move through your journey. You are safe and you are ready to relax. Your subconscious mind is allowing the noises around you to become a part of your inner silence and calm. Now, let's move into a deeper state of relaxation. I want you to focus on your body, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down. Feel your scalp relaxing. Your forehead softening. And your eyes becoming heavy. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tightness there. With each breath, allow the tension to melt away from your neck, arms, and chest. Feel your back gently resting against your seat, and let your legs and feet grow heavy. Every part of your body is relaxing, sinking into this state of comfort and peace. As you continue to relax, you may begin to feel a sense of lightness in your mind, as if all the stress, worries, and concerns you brought with you are slowly evaporating. Let them go. You don't need them right now. Your only focus is on this moment of peace, stillness, and quiet. As you settle deeper into this relaxation, let's focus on visualizing your journey, not just in physical terms, but your life journey, where you are headed, your goals, your dreams. Imagine yourself arriving at your destination, feeling refreshed, clear-minded, and ready to take on the day or night ahead. Now, repeat these powerful affirmations silently in your mind, allowing each one to resonate with your deepest self. I am calm, relaxed, and at peace during my travels. I release all stress and tension from my mind and body. My mind is clear, focused, and ready for new opportunities. Every breath I take energizes and refreshes me. I attract peace, success, and fulfillment on my journey. As you visualize, picture yourself walking into your office or your home after this journey, feeling a profound sense of accomplishment and clarity. You are in control of your thoughts, your emotions, and your reactions. Let's move into a deeper level of self-hypnosis where we program your mind for a stress-free, successful journey using the principles of neuro-linguistic programming. Imagine now that with each breath you are sending calming signals to every cell in your body. Your cells are receiving this message of relaxation, responding by releasing any pent-up stress, tension, or fatigue. Feel this release of stress, tension, and fatigue. It's evaporating. Feel the calm. Your body is doing exactly what it needs to recharge, regenerate, and feel more alive. Feel this energy moving through you from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Repeat silently in your mind, I program my mind for relaxation and focus. I let go of stress and I invite clarity. I program my mind for relaxation and focus. I let go of stress and I invite clarity. I attract positive outcomes and smooth, peaceful journeys. every time you listen to this meditation, you are training your mind to reach this deep state of relaxation more easily. Over time, the state will be automatic, a part of your everyday life, ensuring that you feel relaxed and stress free no matter how long or difficult your journey may be. As we come to the end of this session, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the feeling of the seat beneath you, the rhythm of your breath, and the sense of calm within you. You are refreshed, focused, and ready for whatever lies ahead. Take a deep breath in and out. Wiggle your toes. Gently move your fingers and slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Let the relaxation stay with you as you go about your day. This meditation is your tool for transforming stress-filled journeys into moments of peace and clarity. The more you practice it, the more profound the effects will be. I encourage you to listen to this regularly and make it a part of your daily travels. Pat yourself on the back for participating in your personal evolution. This is Dr. MD Ahmed, and I hope this meditative session has brought you calm, relaxation, and renewed energy during your travel. If you found this meditation helpful, please leave your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear about your personal experience. Don't forget to share this video with others who could benefit from a stress-free journey. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more meditations, self-improvement content, and techniques to help you become the best version of yourself. I also invite you to enroll in our HATS course designed to help you handle negative emotions. It's free for now and the link is in the description. And don't miss out on our upcoming Meditation X and Foundation X programs, rooted in alternative education to help you achieve your wildest and most meaningful goals. Stay mindful, stay focused, and keep growing. Until next time, take charge.